So this is the DJI Mavic Air 2, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this thing in less than 60 seconds. First of all, it's $800 and you get an awesome flight time of up to 34 minutes. You also have a range of 10,000 meters. That's over 6 miles. Now it has obstacle avoidance in the front and the back, and it does have a sensor on the bottom as well. It has a top speed of over 42 miles an hour. This camera will shoot 48 megapixel photos, but the best part about it is the HDR video that you get out of this thing. It's better than I think some of the videos coming out of the Mavic 2 Pro. It has internal storage of 8 gigabytes. You can also add your own SD card if you need more than that. This is the only Mavic that you can shoot 4K at 60 frames a second, and if you want slow-mo, you can do 1080 at 240. You have all sorts of awesome flight modes, from hyperlapse to asteroids, boomerangs, helix, drones, rockets, all of that stuff, plus your return to home. I think this is the best drone for most people if you're thinking about getting into the hobby. If you haven't already, check us out on halfchrome.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel, check us out on Instagram and TikTok as well.